Welcome back to Main Street TV. We're here with another episode of What's Your Outfit Worth at the launch brunch party of Main Street Gear. It is a very exciting day for us. For the first time, we're going to be selling things that we make. We had to break down the fits of all of the well-dressed people here. I mean, after this, I don't know whose fits will be up to the mark, but my man Tazzy, aka Tarush, aka Pyrex Vision, has pulled up. What is the sweatshirt? The sweater.
So this is a Japanese brand, Kidil. I
Okay.
found it in London.
Your pants?
APC.
APC, your shoes?
Shoes are from
Street.
the boys.
Shout out, baby.
Shoes are from the boys.
Your t-shirt, what is the t-shirt?
This is some Australian brand, bro. And I was walking around Shoreditch and I just
Yeah.
saw this store.
Yeah.
I was like,
And
fuck
your
it.
chain is?
That's a Rick chain. That's a chrome chain.
And then you got the Louis V
And
bag.
then I got the light work.
Woo.
I got the light.
I'm
the
sweating.
Light work.
And the bag is another 2,500?
Ooh, you are not.
3K?
This bag's 5 racks, dog.
5 grand.
5 racks.
That takes us to a lot of money that's beyond the screen. Please follow Pyrex for his incredible fashion inspo. Do we need to do more fits or is that the whole video? That's it. We're done. Bandra's biggest hype beast. My buddy Abhishek is here rocking every brand we could find on Farfetch. Tell me about your outfit. Abhi.
Outfit,
You got
nothing
a
much. Quad set from Kenzo.
Kenzo t-shirt, Balenciaga chain, shorts are quad Kenzo, and your chappal, Sunday chappals are Louis V. Abhishek invests his money very sensibly.
with me, and we will kill you.
What is your outfit worth?
Oh man, I don't know, but 10 grand I guess.
Stan Smith's 8 grand. Your shorts are Fab India.
Fab India, who knew?
Who knew?
2 grand.
T-shirt is Champion.
3 grand,
Watch,
60 grand.
60 grand. Very nice watch. And your cap, custom,
Cap is custom, priceless. So.
priceless, beautiful. We've reached a group of very influential people. Some fashionably, some not so fashionably, but influential nonetheless. Suviksha, what's your outfit worth?
It's PR. I don't know.
It's what?
It's PR.
Did you say it's PR?
Yes.
You know, it's still worth. Someone's paying for it.
It was worth a real.
It's worth a Okay, what brands are you wearing?
I'm wearing Levi's X Deepika jacket. My dress is from XP95, and this is Converse.
Okay, so the outfit is worth. Krishan, what are you wearing?
Everything's thrifted, yeah.
Everything thrifted. How much do you pay for it?
I paid like 2K.
Okay.
That's amazing.
What is your t-shirt?
It's like some fucking jockey, fucking vest. These are thrifted again from the same place.
And your shoes?
And the shoes are also made by these young children in Bangladesh. It's Zara.
We gotta stop that. Zara. Okay,
Yeah,
Zara
Zara.
shoes. Fire outfit. What is your bracelet? Diesel.
That is diesel, yeah.
Did you pay for it?
It was actually a gift from
From Suviksha. How much did you pay for it?
It was 6K.
6 grand.
Shit.
Sick. That's that's the most expensive part of his outfit.
That's 6 grand.
Okay, Sharon, what is your outfit worth?
What's
Let's
my
see.
outfit? This was a gift. I don't.
Sharon is fashionably influential starting today because he bought some gear at the gear pop-up.
Yeah.
Your jacket is 10.5 grand. Your
What? It's okay.
Only. It's a good deal. Thank you, Christian. That was
You wanna
awesome.
exchange?
That was well placed. What is your t-shirt? What is a gift?
This was a gift.
What is your watch worth?
6-7 grand.
6, 7. Your pants?
4.
4 grand. Your shoes?
That's a gift.
What is a gift? They're about 20 grand, I think. It's a nice outfit. You look good.
Thank you.
I like it.
Yeah,
you will
yeah.
also be fashionably influential soon.
That's why I'm.
I don't know if y'all will be financially influential soon, but I know he will be fashionably influential. Actually, they wear more gifted shit than you do.
I'm wearing 3 gifts. This is a gift, right?
No. Is it who's gifting? Suviksha? Suviksha has been gifting people expensive shit. That's so sweet of you. Wow. We'll invoice you for that later. You know what you're wearing?
I'm wearing Abercrombie Fairs.
What else? What are the Crocs? They're just
know what
Crocs.
those are.
They're not Crocs. Show us the phone case, man. The phone case you gotta see. Phone case of the day.
That's cute.
That's adorable.
If you don't come play with me, then we will kill you.
Pratik, what are you wearing for me?
I'm wearing her outfit.
But she paid for it.
yes.
What did she pay for it?
I think this is Zara. This is thrifted. This is Zara.
And your shoes?
And shoes Zara. I guess the socks I had lifted it from Bangkok or something.
Fantastic. So good, dude. What are you wearing, Garima?
I'm wearing ASOS, Levi's, and Theatre XYZ.
Theatre what?
Theatre XYZ. It's an Indian brand.
Zoha, I need you to break down your outfit for my video. Where is your shirt from?
From a thrift store in San.
And your pants?
From someone who like let.
From where?
From Superdry.
Superdry?
Yeah.
It's awfully fuckboy of you.
I know that, but
And
it's
your
like
shoes?
so comfy. They're my Converse.
The Converse? So what is your outfit worth? Shoes are 5 grand, pants are like 10 grand? 8, 6, 14. Okay, so 15,000 to be outfit. Fire.
Is this going to yeah?
On YouTube.
Okay, nice.
For several 100,000 people. Yeah.
So excited.
Zoha works in fashion, clearly.
My name is Ashish. I'm from Delhi. Just came here today wearing Essentials tee with a Zara track band. And these are old golds. Absolutely love it. Got them from Main Street itself.
Fire. Can you please state your name for the camera?
Avi.
What are you wearing, Avi?
Chicago's.
What are these? Chicago Dunks.
These are not dunks.
There's Chicago golf lows.
You tell me. I'm a bit confused. I
I'm
just
also a bit
ordered it off
confused.
someone who got it from.
They're nice shoes though. How
I
much did you
like
pay
it.
for them?
20 grand.
20 grand. What are your pants?
5 grand.
5 grand. And your shirt?
Probably 1 grand.
And your watch?
Stole it off someone.
Love that.
Works for me.
It's a cool outfit.
Can you find me?
Please tell me, what are you wearing?
Oh, it's not about how much your outfit is worth.
No, it is about how much
No.
your It is literally about how much your outfit
It's
is
about
worth.
how much it's worth to you.
No, it's about how much it's worth to the world.
So I'm wearing this inside out.
Why inside out?
Because like
All
I wanted
okay?
to wear something plain
Did
today.
you dirty it?
No, I wanted to wear something like plain today. So I've worn this like inside out Donda jersey kind of
Also,
thing.
Donda jersey.
Yeah.
Worth how much?
What?
20 grand?
No. Like 7K.
7k. Your pants?
Pants are like thrifted Carhartt type.
And your shoes are Doc Martens.
Yeah.
Worth how much?
Like 6-7K.
Doc Martens are not 6k.
I mean,
Are you lying to me?
they're the main line, like the basic ones. They're like low top. They're like
The
the
nice
cheap ones. The cheap ones, yeah.
And then you got Carhartt on the top.
Yeah.
Fire. Arjun, I need you to break down your outfit for me.
I'm wearing a Nike Brazil jersey. I'm wearing Rothko trousers, cargo pants, and I'm wearing mochas.
Mochas. Classic. And then these very cool Ray-Bans.
Krishan's Ray-Bans.
Shout out to Krishan Jashnani,
To my Bihari
twin
friend.
brother of Shivan Jashnani.
My Bihari friend. I don't know where he is. But yeah. And I'm wearing a kada.
Kada.
I'm wearing an Apple Watch and some fucking evil eye, I guess, yeah.
Very nice. Please describe your outfit to me.
He started again.
For those who don't know, this is the elusive Red Boot girl.
Oh, this is me. So you're putting a
This is
face.
you. Please describe your outfit to us. What are you wearing?
It's a denim skirt made from upcycled denim.
Archive.
Archive.
It's archive.
Yes.
So it's like 25 grand.
No, it's not.
How much was it?
It's like 15 grams.
15 grand. And your shoes?
Shoes are the sambas.
Sambas. Very nice sambas.
Yeah.
And your bracelet? Is that a... Oof, it's a Bulgari. It's a Bulgari snake. What's it called?
Serpentine.
Serpent. The Bulgari serpent watch.
Serpentine.
And what is your top?
It's something I cut up at.
It's something she cut up and so it's priceless. So in total, Tanya's outfit is a lot of money. But we are privileged and honored to have Tanya attend our pop-up today. We were hoping and praying that she would drop by and she has graced us with her presence. But that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And tell us what your favorite outfit was in the comments. See you in the next one.